So how then do you approach book flipping when you're a new seller? Okay. Well, you want to understand that when you're a new seller, a lot of products will be gated for you. That's completely normal. A lot of top branded textbooks and a lot of top ranked books, so low bestseller ranked books, right? So high ranked, but low BSRs, and just items in general, not just books, will be gated for you. That's to be expected, right? The best way to get ungated for these things is to simply sell products, okay? Sell anything you can. You honestly just need to build some credibility with Amazon. Basically, by selling items in the beginning, you'll build seller credibility with Amazon. So that's like your Amazon sales metrics, and they'll slowly improve. So that's your feedback, your sales, your seller history, your customer satisfaction, the fact that you ship out fast if you're doing FBM, obviously. If you're shipping into FBA, then that doesn't really matter. That you always list and sell the right items, right? Any of these things are potential indicators and obviously go towards your sales metrics. Not specifically, but I'm just trying to open your mindset to like why Amazon is vetting you, right? Think of this as your initial gating phase think of the initial gating phase, as your test period. And basically what this is Amazon's way of seeing if you're a reliable seller or not. Or if you're someone that's just listing whatever you can to make a quick buck and does not care about the Amazon customers. Because Amazon hates this. They are customer obsessed, okay? So in short, the best way that you can get ungated for top brands, top books, or top products of any kind in any category is to simply build your seller metrics by selling, okay? So easy ways to do this are to get free and cheap books from Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, etc. You can literally go there, search for free, and search through the free listings and get some things and sell them for free. This is something that I'm not just telling people to do. I literally went out and did myself to prove to people that were complaining in I think it was version 2 or 3 of this course now, that were complaining you're saying that, but I doubt you ever did it. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go do it. And I did I think I grabbed I think it was 1,500 books roughly. And I listed them all and I showed examples of how this was improving my seller metrics. I showed examples of a specific book that I think was called The Rape of Lock or something. It was purple and it sold for over 800 bucks. I got that book for free in that lot, right? As well as countless other books that increased my seller metrics and were profitable, right? Some of them weren't profitable. Some I only made 10 cents on, right? Or some I only made a buck on. Some I lost money on, but they improved my seller metrics. The whole point here is when you're gated for a lot of things, one of the best ways to do it is go out and get a lot of free and cheap books, because they'll be used books that are high bestseller ranks, so they're not ranked very well, and they'll sell slowly, obviously, but it will increase your seller metrics, right? And so another way that you can do it is source and sell online arbitrage products, as well as literally sell anything from around the house. I had used books at my house. I had used movies. I sold them all, and they all helped improve my seller metrics. Honestly, you don't need a lot of sales to start getting ungated and building your metrics. You just have to start selling things and prove to Amazon that you are a serious seller and that you're not going to screw their customers over. Their biggest concern is the integrity of their platform and that their customers will lose trust buying on it. They've spent decades building that trust, and now we literally just go to Amazon and we don't even check to see if our product's coming or check to see if there's going to be an issue, because we know that we have all the power when we buy on Amazon, right? We just inherently trust that the product's going to get delivered to us, and if there's an issue, then we can take it up then and Amazon will solve it for us, right? They've spent decades building that trust, and so their biggest concern with you as a new seller is that you're going to screw their customers over. So slowly sell things, anything you literally can. And I just gave you countless examples of what you can do. And this is not just stuff that I'm telling you you can do. It's stuff I've literally done and have battle tested myself, okay? So slowly sell some things, build some trust, and they'll ungate you very quickly, okay? So if you're one of the people saying, I'm gated for books, well, chances are you're a brand new seller without much seller metrics. So go through this process. Maybe go out and get free and cheap books from Craigslist, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace, or start sourcing online arbitrage products and sell a few of those, or literally list anything that you can around the house. Just make sure that you list it under the correct listing, and you will slowly get ungated, and it will happen a lot faster than you think, and then you'll be able to sell a lot of the top-ranked textbooks.